Hi, I'm Trish Stuart. I am getting ready to teach a workshop at Fall Paducah 2019 called Neighborhood Quilt. This quilt is created so that you can take all kinds of different elements, different visual textures, and just create your own little world, these houses on a hill. And if you don't want to do that exact format, you can do your own. This is a very, very creative process. And a lot of the items are pre-cut, but you are encouraged to go in and alter those so that they exemplify your concept of what you want to create in your neighborhood. This is a great way to really expand your creativity, to kind of step out of your box and your comfort zone, using fabrics that you may never have considered using before, to create visual depth, movement, and just a fun kind of way to pull things together. This can also be used in ways to create artwork for yourself later. Once you know all the foundational concepts and how this all goes together, what kinds of things to watch out for when you're creating your own sort of a collage, but not really. It's more your own art, using fabric to paint with, painting with your fabric elements to create your own scene. Then you're going to open up your mind and your abilities to step beyond anything you've ever done before. This is such a darn fun class. You'll really like it. It's a full day class, but you'll love it. I just know you will. I taught this at AQS in Grand Rapids, and we had so much fun. You can bring your own fabrics if you like to add to what I'm including in your kits. And if you do that, I recommend that you put some fusible on the back of it so that it's all ready to go. That way you can create something that is unique to your vision and your own art. So look forward to seeing you. Join me then.